This is a very simple yet very rare camera, perfect for a beginner. You can get it with the original back or without it, as you wish. And this is the great and super funky Agfa family. As I said, very simple camera. You can see super clean lens as well, perfectly working color. So let's test it out. You'll definitely need a coin here to flip that. Just flip it up and be gentle with it because it's over 40 years old and this pin sometimes breaks, so be very careful with it, very gentle. And then please follow the instructions here. As you can see, the camera is super simple. It uses only 2 AA batteries. Nonetheless, it works super smooth. Single frame, 18 frames per second. Light meter on the camera works great. The camera is in truly incredible condition. So, as you all know, we always test the cameras with spark cartridges. Spark cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. So, if the motor manages to spin this spark cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, very smoothly working. And let's see what the result is. As always, no mark there anymore and straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning spark cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for the footage. As I said, this is a perfect camera for a beginner, very funky camera out of the 80s in outstanding condition. It's literally like brand new. So, thank you for your time and let's keep Super 8 alive together!